Okay, thanks for watching. Now let's start shooting some guns and we're gonna have some fun. Thanks. Have fun watching. We're having fun, huh? Hey guys, you never saw a little boy shoot some guns, have you? At 6 years old. You guys never saw a boy shooting these? This must be your lucky day. Let's do a let's try that one again. Now I want it to come down. But hey guys, so now that was cool, wasn't it? Now thanks for watching, guys. See you on another video of Logan Look. If you want to see more, type in Luke Logan shot in video. Thanks for watching. Bye.